Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. H. pylori eradication regimen. So let's look at each line. So in terms of the first line, there is omeprazole, and there is clarithromycin. Next is amoxicillin as well as the metronidazole. So omeprazole, clarithromycin, amoxicillin and metronidazole. So the mnemonic OCAM. Now we move on to the second variety. In the second type, there is a mnemonic of TOM or TOM. So this stands for the T for the tetracycline and O for the omeprazole, then M for the metronidazole and B for the bismuth. Next we move on to the third line. So here in the third line, that includes the LOA, that is the levoflox, as well as omeprazole and the amoxicillin. Lastly, we move on to the sequential regimen. So in the sequential regimen, what we have is, there is the involvement of the omeprazole, it is OCAT, that is omeprazole, there is presence of clarithromycin, there is amoxicillin as well as the tinidazole. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.